Hi, this is Linda with On Blogging Well, and today I want to teach you how to create an email account using your domain name. An email account going through your domain looks much more professional than some of the other accounts that are out there. And I'll link to you an article on the blog part of this before the video that it will explain a little bit more about your email accounts and why it's important to use a professional looking email account. I also want to teach you how to import that account into Gmail. Gmail is a free service that's owned by Google. It's an email client and has an excellent spam filter and also the ability to sort your emails into folders to where you can have easy access to different topics. So first of all, what we need to do is to go to the control panel of your domain. If you haven't yet set up your domain name, you can go to onbloggingwell.com, and in the right hand column on the sidebar, if you scroll down into the tag cloud, you can click on Start a Blog, and there's a number of different posts that tell you how to get your blog going, and one of those will explain to you how to set up your account onto your own server. So what we want to do here is we're going to go to the cPanel. So you take your domainname.com/cPanel, and my cookies already know my password, but if you don't, when you first get there, you'll have to put in your username and password that you created your account with. And this is our control panel, and we're going to go to the Mail area, and we're going to scroll down here to where it says Add, Remove, Manage Accounts. And what we want to do today is we want to add an account, and add an email account. And we're going to call this mail@onbloggingwell.com. And the password, we will put, I don't know, we'll just use Linda for the password. And I'll click Create. And so mail@onbloggingwell.com with the username, the password Linda has been created. So we're going to be done with this screen now. The next thing we're going to do is open up Gmail. I do have a Gmail account, onbloggingwell@gmail.com, and if you want to email me at the site, that would be the email that I use for checking emails from On Blogging Well. So that's a valid email. This other one is going to be like a test email. But what you would want to do to import the new account into Gmail is to go to Settings and Accounts and Import. And what we want to do is we want to add another account. And so what we're going to start here with Send Mail As. And the email address that we used was mail@onbloggingwell.com. Okay? And we're just going to click Next Step here and then send a verification. Okay, now this is a part where I want to show you something else, because we can't verify this yet through Gmail because it can't check it through Gmail. So we have to set up the account in another email client to be able to check it. And this is Thunderbird. It's a free email client. You could also use Outlook, or you could use Eudora. There's several different email clients out there, but I just use Thunderbird. It's made by Mozilla, the same people that make Firefox, the browser that I prefer. And right now we're going to create a new account here, and the account is going to be mail@onbloggingwell.com. We'll click Go. Incoming server will be mail.onbloggingwell.com. It's a POP account. Incoming server is mail@onbloggingwell.com. And if you don't spell these right, it won't work. We'll have to go back through, and there's the account name. And we're done. Now what we want to do is go to the inbox. And it's going to ask for our password, which we said was Linda. Let me make sure. I don't know if I spelled that right. I shouldn't be able to know how to do that. My fingers are not typing very well. And it's downloading message 1 of 1. And that's our Gmail confirmation. So we're going to double click on this and open the email. And right here is our confirmation code. We're going to copy that. We're done with that. We can get out of that and we can reduce that. And right here we're going to back to our Gmail where it asks for our verification, and we're going to paste that and verify. And now it has added where we can actually send mail from On Blogging Well. If we wanted to make that our default, we could. What I also want to be able to do is to check mail using that. So we can send it, now we want to be able to check it. And that is mail@onbloggingwell.com. And the next step, and our username, our password was Linda. Mail.onbloggingwell.com, and we'll add the account. And now we can check the mail and we can receive the mail from that account using Gmail. And just to double check, I'm going to go over here to compose mail, and there's my default address, but we want to send an email to our new account that we just set up, and we'll call it test. And this is a test. You hear my dog playing with her toys in the background. She's wondering why I'm not playing with her. And we're sending this, and then in a minute we should be able to receive it. We see right here in the inbox, one, it's from me. This is a test. So we sent a test to the mail@onbloggingwell.com. Now we want to go back and we want to compose one from, and right here Gmail will add that to your list, your drop down list of different emails that you can use, and we'll send this one to onbloggingwell@gmail.com, and we will also call that test. This is a test. So now we'll see if we can send mail, because we've already received mail, and there we go. And so that is how you set up an account using your control panel right here. So you go to your domainname.com and then /control panel, and that's how you get to the control panel. And once you're there, you can go into the mail area and you can set up a new email account, and then you can pull it into Gmail, and you can have all your email accounts being checked by one place. If you already have other email accounts that you use, you can use the same process to import them into Gmail. I have several different email accounts that I use, and so I have them all conveniently checked into one Gmail account. And that's today's Techie Tip Tuesday tip, and I hope you found that helpful. And this has been Linda Fulkerson with On Blogging Well. Thanks for watching the video today.